Lesson number one, take a first step. You heard me right. Take a first step. What are you doing? Let me ask you a question. What are you doing with your time? You're doing a 9 to 5 job and you're telling me that it takes a lot out of me and I do not have time to work on that one particular skill that I have. Now, what skill do you think that you have? If you work on that skill, that can help you make money or at least start a side hustle. What is that one skill that you have? So if you do not know it, what I want you to do, I want you to take a pen and paper, write down the topic, what you can do apart from your job. That should be your question. What you can do apart from your job. And then you write down the things that come up on your mind. If I tell you my personal experience, I can establish a business, of course. I can start up a business, I can invest money, I can come up with different ideas. I have a lot of things that I can do as an individual, and I'm sure you have those things with you too. So, you need to take a first step. Once you write down all those things that you can do, the second thing that you have to think about, what does it take for you to enhance that skill set? Now, the moment you find out that this is where I'm lacking and I have time, but I do not know how to start. Now, since you have written down all the things, I'm sure you'll find out some different ways how you can actually go ahead and start working on that skill set. Maybe you have a skill that is just 20% mature. You're not an expert. Do a course. There are multiple courses available online that you can do, and you can polish that skill set of yours. Once you're ready, then you can actually put it online, probably invest a little money, start a business. What's holding you back? Take a first step. What is that one step? In this lesson, I want you to find out the skill that you have as an individual. Once you find out that skill, okay, I'm good in the digital marketing, I'm good in the making YouTube videos, I'm good in the advertisement business, I can be a good storyteller, I can probably study data science. What are the things that you can do? Where is your interest? And the moment you find out that skill set, okay, this is what I need to do, start, okay? The job that you're doing, I don't care what kind of job you're doing right now, but I'm sure that job will not take care of your future. That job will not take care of the dreams that you have, okay? That job is just a small money that they're giving you to forget about your dreams. The job that you're doing right now, it's sufficient enough to pay bills and die one day. Work on that skill, work on it, start working on it. Take 2 hours, take 3 hours. Join a class, join an online class. Start with building a skill set that you already have. If it's a God-gifted skill, work on it. If that is a skill that actually has your interest in, you start working on it. Take out time. If you start working on it 1 hour a day, in about 60 days you're ready. You're ready as an individual to do something with that skill. So lesson number one, how to get an entrepreneur mindset. Find a skill that can help you make money. The moment you find a skill that can help you make money, start working on it. And start working on it by today, okay? By the time you watch this video. If you're doing a 9 to 5 job, it's perfect, do it. That's your responsibility. But what are you doing apart from your job? Is there something that you're waiting for? That's what they say, the Monday never comes. So you start working on that skill set. Take a first step right now. This is the first step on the ladder to become an entrepreneur, to become a hustler, a champion at the game. If you have a skill and if you don't work on it, I'm sorry. You can shut this video down. It's not for you. Okay? So with that saying, I'll catch you up on the next video.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day.